In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Messages are missing. Restore now in Messenger. If you've opened Messenger and seen a message saying that some of your conversations are missing, or that you should restore them, it can feel a bit alarming. The good news is that this usually means Messenger is having trouble syncing or loading your chat history. And there are a few simple things you can try to get everything back to normal. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. Make sure you're connected to the internet, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data. A weak or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons why messages don't appear properly. So if possible, switch to a stronger network and then reopen the app. Once Messenger is open, look for the alert that says something like, "Messages are missing. Restore now." When you see this, tap on the option to restore. This tells Messenger to resync your conversations from its servers. Depending on how many messages you have and how fast your internet is, this might take a little time. Be patient and try not to close the app while it's restoring. If the restore option doesn't appear, or if nothing seems to happen, try closing Messenger completely and reopening it. On most phones, that means swiping the app away from your recent apps list, then tapping the icon again to launch it fresh. Sometimes a quick restart of the app is all that's needed to trigger the sync. If you still don't see your messages, check that you're signed into the correct account. Open the settings inside Messenger and confirm that the profile and email or phone number match the account where those messages were originally received. If you've recently logged out and back in, or switched devices, Messenger may be trying to show you a different account with fewer conversations. Another helpful step is to update the Messenger app. Go to your device's app store, search for Messenger, and see if there's an update available. Outdated versions can sometimes cause sync issues or display errors like this restore message. After updating, open Messenger again. Wait a few moments on the main chat screen and see if older conversations start to load. Give it a minute or two, especially if you're on a slower connection. By following these steps, you should be able to clear the "messages are missing, restore now" issue and get your chats showing correctly again. If the problem continues, it's likely a temporary server issue on Messenger's side, so checking back a bit later often resolves it automatically.